I mentioned at the start of the video that we're going to talk very briefly about biomass power plants and waste to energy power plants. The reason I want to talk about them in this video is because they're quite similar in a way to coal-fired power stations. What we're doing is changing the source of energy. Instead of burning coal, we're going to burn biomass or waste. The main difference really relates to the type of fuel used and how that affects the major components of the system. For example, instead of having a coal storage yard, we're going to have a large pit. Trucks are going to arrive, they're going to tip their rubbish, tip their biomass into this pit. If it's a waste to energy plant, we may then take this waste and send it for sorting before it's fed to the boiler. A lot of the older plants don't do this, they will just feed it directly to the boiler as it is. And the same occurs with a biomass plant. What we're looking at now is a water tube boiler, or at least the internal parts of it. We're going to feed coal into our boiler using these silos. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Water is going to be fed into the boiler via our deaerator. This is a deaerator. It's usually mounted quite high up within the power plant, and we do this because we want to have a positive head of pressure from the deaerator going downwards towards our boiler feed water pump. The purpose of the deaerator is to remove oxygen and other dissolved gases from our boiler feed water. If we go down from the deaerator, you can see that we've got a pump. This type of pump is a multi-stage centrifugal pump. We've passed steam through our high pressure steam turbine. Over here, we've then passed it through an intermediate pressure steam turbine. Then we've passed it through 2 low pressure steam turbines. The energy from the steam is transferred to our steam turbine rotors. The steam turbine rotors will then rotate. The steam turbine rotors are connected to a generator rotor. Here is our generator. The generator rotor will rotate as well and will begin to produce electrical power. When we get combustion, the exhaust gases are going to rise up here, flow through the boiler, across all of these tubes, down here, along here, and then we're going to go into our flue gas cleaning system, also known as our exhaust gas cleaning system. I've now built that system. The first item that we come into contact with is an electrostatic precipitator. They look a bit like Lego blocks and they're all stacked together. Here we've got 4 electrostatic precipitators all installed together.